This is my next project. It's out of a local church, and I'm pretty much going to go over the damaged sections, and I'm going to be restoring it to its former glory. So let's get started. The main points of damage are these sections here, which I'm not too sure whether they've been cut out for piping or what, but I know the bottom section here as well has been cut out for radiator piping, which is a little bit annoying. But these sections I'm going to try and not completely hide, actually make it look like a sort of a really old repair. And just give it a bit more character rather than just trying to hide everything and it be one perfect uniform pew. So this top section here has like a beech grain, and then the bottom half after the lip is like a pine grain, so it's actually surprisingly heavy. It's just the seat alone. So I'm just marking this section out now here, and that should fit there, like so. I'm just putting bottom section, I'm making basically a wider piece of wood. I'll take these screws out after. It's just easier way of holding the glue, but it's basically remaking that. So what is the bottom section of the pew on the other side, so that's I'll have to, once it's all dried, sand it down and sort of round the edges a little bit and try to make it look aged, and then when it's all waxed up it should hopefully be hidden and look like it was never touched. So this section should just nicely slot in there. There we go. So you can see it just comes up like a foam. The tape stops it from just coming up too much. There we go. I've just finished waxing this. I'm actually using a wax I've made myself, so that is on my website if anybody wants to look at it. I might leave it 5 or 10 minutes and just see whether it wants another coat possibly. If not, I'll just go over with a cloth and buff it up a bit finer, and yeah, whole product finished. That's the end of a project. I've really enjoyed it. It's been something a little bit different. If there's anything you'd like to see me messing about with or restoring or just general tinkering, if you could leave in the comments below and I'll see if it's possible for me to do it. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, if you've enjoyed it, that is. Yeah, thank you very much again for watching, and see you in the next vid.